Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today we're going to make this really cute tea holder. So I just used some cardstock, and then you can put your little bags of tea right inside like this. It will also hold like the small squares of Ghirardelli chocolate or whatever you might want it to hold. It just has to be thin and it will fit right in. I know I've seen some other chocolates that are like that too. And then I just have a little ribbon that I can tie around and make it into a bow. So that's what we're going to do for this. And I already have cut a piece of pattern paper that measures 6.5 by 7. And then you need a piece of cardstock that measures 3.5 by 7 3/4. So this is 8.5. I'm going to cut off 3/4 inch. So this is going to be 3.5 by 7 3/4. I'm just double checking. Yes. Okay. And then you want to score your card base at both 3.5 inches and 4 1/4 inches. And this is what's going to make the outer holder part for the tea. Isn't that cute already? Now I am doing this, you know, obviously as a tutorial, but it's also one for me to kind of use up some stash. I know that that was one thing that people said, you know, ways to use your stash that they'd like to see in 2018. And I have to say, these are colors and choices that I probably wouldn't normally choose. I would leave these in my stash and just keep looking over them and finding something else because it's not really my style, but I'm trying to work outside of my comfort zone a little bit because you can make anything cute. And this is cute paper and this is a pretty color. I just don't pick these for crafting. It's just not my normal choice. So I'm on the 6.5 side. You want to score this at, I'm looking just to make sure I'm right, score at 1/2 inch and then 3.5 inches. So I'm going to go in on this side for 1/2 inch. And I'm scoring that. And then I'm going to go in on this side at 3.5 inches. And I'm just doing that so I don't have to take out my arm. I don't know why I have such a issue with that. I mean, it's not hard. You just pull this out and use it, but I just don't use it very much. I like this way. I like to do things this way better. So once you have this, then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this down and fold this up. So it will make your little pouch holder. And I'm going to go, before I score it anymore, I'm going to go ahead and put some strong adhesive along this small flap that you created. Oh, sorry. And let's go ahead and put this together. So I'm just going to fold this up. And then we can score this at 3 1/8 inches. So about here. And then you're going to turn it over and score again at 3 1/8 inches. And then you can see that this, when you use your bone folder, it doesn't really want to go that way. I might just make it go this way. I must have a little bubble in my tape. So then this creates I don't like that. I'm gonna make it go this way because I don't want the crease to be seen. There we go. This will be what holds the tea bags. And so to finish this off, I'm just going to take my circle punch, and I'm going to put these together, and I'm going to take this and move it about halfway down. Oops, I want to keep these together. Go about halfway down and then just punch that off. Got all the little pieces all over me. So now that's ready. You can easily get your tea bags in and out of that. You could maybe even put, I know that they have like shortbread. Ooh, I just thought of this. That would be really cute. Like I know that like when, sometimes if I take a plane ride, they'll give us little shortbreads that would easily fit in here because they're the kind of the same way. Wouldn't that be cute? A little shortbread in a tea bag. Oh, I'd love it. If someone gave that to me, I would be thrilled. So I want my strong adhesive again because I want to make sure that this stays in the middle of this. And then I'm just going to line these score lines up with the score lines on the base, and then just, you want it to be centered in the middle of your card base and from the top to the bottom. And I don't know, I might want to score it just a little bit just so that it knows that I want it to kind of fold to the middle. Isn't that cute? So that's the hard part. That's already done. And then I'm going to take some more of this and put it on the side. Actually, I think I have lots left over, so I'm going to use this one because then I can cut off less, and I just want it to go in the same direction that's going inside. So I'm going to cut it at the blue line. So I just want this to be on the outside of this, and this was 3.5, I think. I don't remember. I'm measuring this 3.5, yes. So I'll go 3.25 on this. For the outside, and then I'll go 3 by 3 for this white piece, or maybe I'll even go in a little bit. I'll go 2.75 by 2.75. You guys can do whatever you want, but you know, I'm just trying to make it so it's cute on the outside as well as on the inside. So this will get attached to this, and then this will get attached to this like that, and we're going to stamp on here, and we're going to put a ribbon underneath to hold it all together with a little bow. And if you wanted the ribbon to go under both of these, you could, or if you just want to go under the top, you can. That's what I'm just going to do, just make it go over the top. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this piece down on my base. Just like that. And then I'm going to stamp on this. And I have this cute stamp set I'm going to use. I don't know who makes it, it doesn't say, but it's perfect for tea. And I think I'm going to use something different than I used the last time, just to make them a little different. I think I will use this guy. So I'm just stamping them. If you wanted to put a sticker, whatever. And I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use Tip Top Taupe for it. You could use brown or black or whatever color you want. And then I'm going to put a sentiment too, I think, if I have one that will fit. Thanks. Thanks a latte, friend. Your kindness warms my heart. I kind of liked that, but now I kind of made it. You know what, though? I can put it over it. I think if I did it here, it would be fine. Yikes. So now I'm just going to color this in. And I'm going to use my Tombow ones just because those are the ones I've been keeping out. And I'll put this away just because I don't want to lose it. I think that these stamps may have come from AliExpress. They're very, I don't want to say cheaply made, but that's what they are. They're very cheaply made. I mean, they work, but they're very thin, and I don't think the quality is all there. So sometimes you get what you pay for. Goodness gracious. But I'm sure that they were very inexpensive. But you know, they work, so what the heck? Can't complain. I'll pull over my colors. And then this is like rainbowy colors, so I can have fun with this card and, you know, make it rainbowy or whatever I want to do. But I think I'll do the heart in red. And I think I'm just going to pick a green color, and I'll do a bright green. Now I'm thinking it looks like Christmas, so now I'm rethinking the green. I will stop there. And I'll do purple. And then let's do yellow. We're just going to make it a rainbow itself. Oh, maybe not this bright yellow. Maybe this yellow will be better. And then I will finish it up with some blue. Then I will make my tea brown. And I'll take a gray and kind of do this smoky. The steam, that's what it is. I'm like, what is this called? It's so funny. Sometimes when you start making a video, you can't remember simple things that, I mean, I guess that's real life too. I guess there are times when I can't remember simple things. But it's aggravating even more when you're trying to teach someone something and you can't remember what simple things are called. All right, not my favorite coloring job, but hey. it's gonna work. Maybe I'll like it better when I get it on the tea thing. I mean, it makes sense. I guess it's cute. Oh, and I didn't put my ribbon on. Oh, daggone it. Ah, that was nice. That peeled up very nicely. Okay, let's take some ribbon. You need probably about, I'm gonna guess, 18 inches. And attach that to the middle or wherever you want it to be. And then attach your card front. And then you can put your tea bags inside. Or like I said, anything else. I love the shortbread and tea idea. And then you just want to tie it in a bow, or you could do a knot, I suppose, if you had one, if you knew one that, you know, could be undone easily. And there we go. So that's that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys will try it. It's cute. It's a cute little idea and a sweet little gift for maybe your coworkers. Just put them on their desk for them. I think that's actually what I'm going to do for a couple of the gals in on my team. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.